Indecisiveness is costing you, not loudly, not dramatically, however, quietly, every single day. And the truth is, most people don't even realize that that's what's happening.
Numb loud, it's all I need, yeah, it's all I need, yeah.
I was speaking to a friend recently about this very thing, and we realized something simple. When you become someone who decides, life doesn't suddenly become easier. However, it becomes so much clearer. Your mind becomes so much lighter. Your energy becomes just more focused, because indecisiveness doesn't remove the burden at all. Because the thing is, you carry it all day, you revisit it, you replay it, and slowly it starts to drain you. There's some research that has been done around decision making. Some research says that it's called decision fatigue, the mental strain that comes from delaying decisions, right? Study shows that when your brain is overloaded with decisions, the quality of your decision drops. You become more likely to avoid choosing at all or default to the easiest, safest option, right? And even more interestingly, when people are given too many options, they often feel more anxious, more confused, and less satisfied. So you call it overthinking, science call it cognitive overload. I'll give you an example, a real life example. Think about dating apps. You can swipe through hundreds of options in minutes. More choice than any generation before you. However, research shows that the more options people have, the more likely they are to feel dissatisfied, regretful, and unable to actually choose or make a decision. So what actually happens? People keep swiping. Keep delaying, keep saying maybe there's better, and they're holding out for better. That's actually not freedom. Actually, indecision disguised as opportunity, and the same pattern shows up in your life. Careers, relationships, opportunities. You're not lacking options, you are lacking decision clarity. So let's diagnose it, and I don't mean that way, but let's assess it together. You might be operating in decisiveness. If everything feels like a big decision, you already know what to do, however, still feel very, very confused. You second guess yourself after choosing. You delay decisions hoping clarity will come without commitment. The problem isn't always that you might be wrong. Sometimes you're trying to feel completely safe before deciding that thing. However, here's the truth. You cannot remove risk from being a human being. Research even shows that when people are mentally overloaded, they tend to choose what feels the safest, not what is actually the best for them. So it's not that you don't know what to do, it's that you're trying to avoid the discomfort of uncertainty. However, that avoidance comes at a cost. Mental exhaustion, delayed growth, and internal noise. So this is where maturity and faith meet, because at some point you have to decide without full certainty. If I take this job, something might go wrong. That might actually be true. However, that doesn't make it a wrong decision per se. Some outcomes are not a reflection of failure. They're simply a part of the human experience. So instead of trying to control everything, you shift. I will trust you with what I cannot control. So here are 5 practical ways. Number 1, separate clarity from comfort. Clarity doesn't always feel peaceful. Sometimes it stretches you. Decide based on what you actually know right now. You're not called to predict every outcome. You're called to respond faithfully. Number 3, stop rehearsing what ifs. Many of the scenarios that you fear will happen regardless of your decision. If they were meant to happen, or because we live in a broken world, it will happen. Number 4, accept the cost of not choosing. Indecision is not neutral. It drains your mental and emotional energy daily. Number 5, anchor your decision in God, not control. Peace comes after obedience, not before. Indecisiveness is costing you, not because you are incapable, however, because you are waiting for a level of certainty that was never ever promised. So I will leave you with this. Where in your life are you waiting to feel completely safe before you decide?